and welcome to all of our followers. My name is Stephanie Mazza, Associate Attorney at the Law Offices of Beltran Brito Casimir. I'm talking to you guys today about those individuals who had an H1B in the works or in the plans, and now due to the current presidential proclamation, it may not be an option for you. For those that don't know, this week in June, the presidential proclamation came out, which said that they're limiting the issuance of H1B visas at the consulate. What that means is those people who were waiting for it to be issued, or they have an H1B visa petition pending, they're abroad, they're trying to start on October 1st, even if that petition is approved, they will not be able to get that visa issued at a US consulate this year. It's unfortunate, but we have to think about other alternatives for you and your family. A great option for those that were waiting or had plans for that H1B is the O1 visa. The O1 visa is not affected by the current presidential proclamation. It's going to be continuously issued at US embassies and US consulates abroad, which is great. And you may in fact qualify. The O1, like the H1, you have to show some sort of specialty in your field, right? So if you are qualified for an H1B visa, it could be already that you do qualify for the O1. The O1, maybe you can show that you have some sort of specialized experience in your field, some sort of certification, something that makes you really well known or recognized in your field. Perhaps you can also show maybe you have authored articles about the subject in your field. That is a great point for the O1. If you are, let's say, in cyber intelligence, cybersecurity, and you've managed to author an article in your field, that could be something very useful for the O1 petition. Another thing is that you've been employed in a critical capacity for a company, showing really your work history and how essential you were to those companies that you worked with. Another thing could be, maybe you were invited to judge the work of others in your field, judge the work of other engineers, evaluate the work of other engineers, maybe through a contest, a competition. Maybe you were actually in a supervisory capacity in some sort of thesis work for a university. Students were submitting thesis works and you were helping evaluate the thesis works. There's a lot of ways to really paint your way there. Maybe you're a member or can become a member in an association in your field that really requires some sort of excellence in the field. Not just a membership you can pay for, but show that they gave me membership in this association because they recognize my work. There are a lot of options and a lot of categories that we can fit you in and mold you for an O1 petition. If you already have the company that's willing to petition for you, that's willing to do the H1B process, you are almost all the way there. All we have to do is really now document your career, and that's where we come in. So if you have any questions, or if you are interested in pursuing an O1 instead of the H1B visa right now due to this current presidential proclamation and the current climate, please feel free to contact us. info@beltranbrito.com. You can also reach us on social media at Beltran Brito LLP. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next one.